When is an error code generated? When the outdoor temperature sensor detects an out-of-range temperature, or if the sensor itself fails, such as from an open circuit or a short circuit, the unit will generate an error code. These codes vary depending on the brand and model of the control board. If the sensor fails, for example if the thermistor is damaged, a wire is broken, or moisture causes a short circuit, the system can no longer make accurate decisions. The controller detects the issue and triggers an error code on the equipment's display or panel. At that moment, the system enters a safe protection mode. It may reduce the compressor speed, stop the outdoor fan, or even completely shut down to prevent more serious damage to the refrigeration system. How to diagnose a fault in this sensor? To diagnose a sensor fault, technicians use a multimeter to measure its electrical resistance and compare it with a reference chart according to the temperature. They also check the physical condition of the wiring and connectors to rule out mechanical damage or corrosion. If the fault is confirmed, the sensor must be replaced with an original or compatible one, always matching the resistance curve. Steps to test the outdoor temperature sensor of the outdoor unit. 1. With the unit turned off and disconnected from power, locate the sensor on the outdoor unit. It is usually attached near the coil or heat exchanger. 2. Disconnect the sensor from the outdoor control board. 3. Using a digital multimeter set to the kilowahms range, connect the tester probes, order does not matter, and measure the electrical resistance of the sensor. 4. The multimeter reading should never be 0 or infinite. If the multimeter reads 0 ohms, it indicates that the outdoor temperature sensor is short-circuited. 5. If the multimeter reads infinite, it indicates an open or broken sensor. 6. A proper reading should be around 10 kiloohms at 25 degrees Celsius, depending on the sensor. 7. If you have the sensor's resistance versus temperature chart, compare the measured value with the corresponding value for the current ambient temperature. If there is a significant difference, the sensor is out of range and should be replaced. In summary, the outdoor temperature sensor is an essential component in the operational intelligence of an inverter system. Accurate readings ensure that the equipment works efficiently, protects its components, optimizes power consumption, and provides proper climate control, even under challenging environmental conditions.